It's day 94 before launch, and we are working hard on our Kickstarter campaign. But I see you asking,
what the hell is Kickstarter?
Well, Kickstarter is the first and the biggest crowdfunding platform ever. Now you're asking,
what's crowdfunding?
Crowdfunding, it's a way to buy a product before the product is live. Basically, it's a bet on us. You are betting on the vision behind the project, but also the ability of the team to bring the product and the innovation to the market. Hopefully, Zero is almost here. Before going live, we are opening reservations. These reservations will have a massive impact on our campaign and on our self-esteem. What would you get from the reservation? 40% off of the super early bird price, goodies, and exclusive add-ons. The ability to select one of the 3 limited editions or pick up your own color. Now, the only thing left is to go to go.nomorezero.com. Is that right? Yeah, go.nomorezero.com. See you there.
go.nomorezero.com.
It's day 93 before launch, and yesterday I told you about the limited editions, and then I realized I didn't show you the limited editions. So I have two with me here that I would like to show you. The wood, come here, made of 35% real wood with 2 color patterns. You can see the wood texture, but you can also feel it. And the superstar here, the glow in dark, come here. That actually glows in dark. Let me show you. Why these two are limited editions? Because they are very complex to make. So we will make some of them for Kickstarter, and then it will be too late. And if the limited editions are not enough for you, you can customize your Zero with your own color patterns. Fan of the Lakers? Or you just want a pink power bank? Your battery, your choice. It's day 92. We have a lovely sun today, and I think it's high time to have a serious conversation together. Yes, you may ask why we went the hard way to make Zero reusable and repairable, where we could make just a fancy, big, beautiful battery that will collapse like the rest in a year or so, and force you with us to buy Zero 2.0 that will be 3 millimeters thinner than the Zero. It goes against our vision and our philosophy. I think we believe that your business should be aligned with your values, and ours are to provide the best product we would love for ourselves. Therefore, the best product we can provide to you. So Zero, it's not only built to last through these technologies allowing swappable batteries, repairable design, etc. It's also 3D printed to limit the footprint of Zero, meaning that we will produce Zero as close as possible to our markets. Basically, whatever Zero is wanted and needed, we will deploy our microfactory locally to produce it. How we produce Zero and how we 3D print it, that's another story for another day. Cheers.